Procedure for V belts. So this is a data handbook method, also called as catalog method. So V belts are used to connect two pulleys. These are the two pulleys of bigger diameters D2 or capital D, smaller diameters D1 or small d. Bigger pulley RPM is N2, smaller pulley RPM is N1, and center distance between them is called as C, capital C. So now type 1, and the center distance is given. So given data, suppose the power will be given, the total power, that is dash kilowatts. Speed will be given, that is N1, and N2 will be given. Center distance will be given, as it is type 1, center distance will be given, or D1 or D2, whichever one may be given. Now step 1, to find D2 or D1. So depending on which value is given, suppose if D1 is given, so using the velocity ratio formula, so it's N1 by N2, D2 by D1, we can find the remaining D2 if D1 is given in dash mm. Next, step 2, select the cross section of the belt. So we have formula DE equals to dP into FB. dP is nothing but D1, the pitch diameter, or D1 is smaller diameter. Now to find FB? FB is a value, diameter factor. Now to find the FB, so first to divide N1 by N2, get the ratio of N1 by N2. So for this ratio from table 21.25, page number 21.49, find, so this page number 21.49 and table 22.25, so it's 22.25. For this ratio, find the FB. So this is the FB, small diameter factor, FB, for the ratio. So therefore DE equals to D1 into FB dash mm. So we will get the DE answer. So DE equivalent diameter DE. So for this equivalent diameter DE, from table 22.24, page number 21.47, choose the cross section of the belt. So this page number 21.47. so this table, so these are the DE values. So according to the DE values, choose select. If a DE value falls between 82 125, it's A, 132 180, it's B. So it's like that, it's C, D and E. So the DE value, if it is lies between this, so select the cross section. Step 3, velocity of belt. So velocity belt, we know the formula V equals to pi D1 N1 by 60,000. So we get the V velocity. Next, step 4, power capacity of each belt. So after selecting the cross section of the belt, choose the power formula according to the cross section of the belt. For example, so we have these formulas. So according to the selected cross section, either A, B, C, D or E, any one of it, so choose the formula. So this formula you will get on page number 21.13. So these are the A, B, C, D, E formulas. So depending on the cross section, select any one formula depending on which cross section we need, and find the N dash. So find N dash, that is power per belt. Step 5, now find the number of belts required. So number of belts required, formula I equals to N FA upon N dash FC into FD. Now first to find FA, so refer table 21.28. Assuming heavy duty and 10 to 14 hours per day, select the FA, that is 1.3, whatever maybe. So table 21.28, depending on the so we'll select the 10 to 14, 10 to 16 hour duty. You can select heavy duty. You can select the FA values, 1.3, 1.3, 1.5. So usually look at the second column. After finding FA, now to find FC. To find FC, first find the L. L formula is 2c pi by 2d plus d minus d the whole square by 4c. It's 21.28. Equation number 21.28. So you get the L, the first one, L, call it as L1. So from with this L1, from table 21.29, from this table 21.29 for this ABCD, whatever the choose cross section, select the standard nominal pitch length. So for nominal, suppose our falls in here. So nominal pitch length you have to select. So this nominal pitch length L is called as L or L2. We call it as L2 dash mm. Now third, with this nominal inside length L, now you have to find the nominal inside length. So this nominal inside length. We get it here. So nearest value L, this is L2, this is L3, nominal inside length. For this nominal inside length L3 from table 22.27, so find the FC value. So this is table 22.27, the same page number 21.49. So for the nominal inside length, for the given cross section, find the FC. That is. Now to find FD. So now to find FD, first to find the angle of contact. So theta is 2 cos inverse d minus d by 2. So this is equation number 21.45. So find theta in terms of degrees. So from this, after finding the theta from table 21.26 for theta, find the FB. So this is the table 22.26. So this is page number 21.49. So for the given degrees, nearest degrees, find for VV belt, find the FB. FD. Now after finally finding all the FA, FC and FD, calculate. So this FD. Calculate the number of belts I. So therefore I is dash number of belts. Lastly, last step 6, correct center distance. So this C, correct and exact center distance to find C is formula is 21.39. Substitute the L, D, L we have to select the L3 value, the nominal inside length value, and find the C.